Hey guys, I will show you how to delete the folders and files from the Windows operating system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and let's fix this issue, and let's learn how to delete the files and folders. For example, we need to open File Explorer by pressing Windows key plus E key together. Once we are here, we will create a new folder, for example this folder, and we will create a new file here, for example new document file, and one new folder. So you can just select all these together and you can click on the delete. Also there is another way, just select the particular file, then you can just press a delete button from your keyboard. Again, if I wanted to delete these folder and files together and permanently, you can press shift plus delete. Then it will ask you, are you sure you want to permanently delete these two items? Then we can select S. If you delete this, you will not restore these files from the recycle bin if you press shift plus delete. And if you normally delete these files, then you will get both files and folders in the recycle bin. So you will get these files and folders here. Then here it is, these files and folders. And if you want to restore them, then select these two files, select this and simply click on restore items, then select S, and okay, we'll skip it. Yes, I just wanted to restore these two files. Okay, here we are. Once done, that's it guys. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.